Okay, YouTube, change your plans. I took the molding off. I flipped it over, seeing I can just pull it off. So, pulled it off, clean up all that gunk, old glue or caulk or whatever it came with. I started over here already, but focus. Anyway, I'm gonna clean up all this gunk on both sides. Then I started up in here already, so y'all can see. Clean all that out. Then it feel like it's some metal in here that bends. So I'm gonna bend it tight as I don't know what, not closed, but nice and tight. And that weather stripping, I'm gonna stick down in here, and I'm gonna re-glue it and make it. Somehow I'm gonna get this piece to go over this, and then in the corners, I'm gonna glue, hot glue around there. Here's one. I ain't even did this yet, but y'all can see how it's bulging. So that's how I seen the first time. Y'all ain't supposed to see that over there, you know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother thing. But on this side, you can pull it. You pull it off. So let me go and get back to it, and so I can clean up my little area and shit. Look like a mess down here, but hopefully this will fix that. Alright, okay, back with y'all. This one, I put the weather stripping on the outside of it instead of in the crack. Put on the outside, hot glued it. I had to go back right here and do some more, just to give it that extra cushion all the way around it. Let's stop right there. Go around the whole thing, just like that. I cut it right here. Add another piece along there. Doing this one now. You know, just like that. And this one, I don't know. I put this one on the inside instead of the outside. I wish I'd have did it the other way. I'm gonna hot glue underneath here and do the other side over there just like that. So catch y'all back on it. I got the first one in here. I ain't got it locked down yet. Y'all can see that weather stripping is on the sides. The extra. But what I'm gonna do on the latches itself, I'm gonna put the stuff I be using to seal back windshields. I'm gonna put on the edges and in that gap. See what we get. We'll repeat the process on all three of them. Alright, I got it back on. I can see it's certain little spots I should have cut under a little bit, but I ain't really worried about that. We ain't gonna be really paying no attention to that anyway. But yeah, I got that back on now. I peel all that extra off. I ain't even worried about it. I'm more worried about the water than anything else. So let's try it on out and grab this hose. Try to sex y'all up. We're gonna start in this corner first. I see it leaking over there in that corner. That looks like what a drain is. So let me figure out what's to what with that, so we can get that drain properly going. And you know what, I'm gonna fix, yeah, I know what it is. Yeah, let's fix that little piece real quick, but go here first along. see. It's in them drains now. So let me see. What's the how you set them up? That's that we done. Alright. Okay, YouTube. When I was cleaning out that trunk that other day when I was showing y'all, these were in there, all taped up with plastic and everything wrapped around them. I didn't know what they were. I threw them in the garbage. Luckily, the garbage man didn't come. But now I see where they go. This is to catch that water in the drains and slide it on out. So I'm about to clean these up. I guess the previous owner already had problems because they was taped up, plastic up. You see it's cracked or whatever. So you know I'm gonna do my 1-2 thing to it and get it to work. And we should be good. So that's how you fix your stuff. I hope that helped anybody that has that problem. I do a follow-up video, I guess. You'll see the follow-up video if you see the sound system in there. So, alright, appreciate y'all.
This that Holy Ghost, don't you overdose. This that living legend, hands around your fucking throat. Get it? I am a menace, I am the end and the fucking beginning. It ain't no question about who was the realest. Niggas are gimmicks, they gotta be kidding. Follow my lead and I'll show you the way. I am believing and walking in faith. Real nigga shit we can never relate. People are not who they seem to portray.